Hello my friends and welcome once again to Tony's Comfort Kitchen. With the winter months upon us, it's definitely soup season, and today I am cooking one of my all-time favourite soups, beetroot and feta soup. I hope you enjoy it. Now then, I can't stress just how super tasty and wonderful this soup is. Even if you don't like beetroot, believe me, you'll be a convert when you try this. This is super sweet and delicious. Here I have about 280 grams of beetroots. I'm going to top tail them and I'm going to peel them. Now you can see I'm wearing gloves here, and I thoroughly recommend it because this stuff stains like crazy. So we'll just take each of these beetroots and give them a good peeling. They are very easy to peel, it doesn't take long. And look at that colour, that red colour coming through, it's absolutely divine. Right, with the beetroots peeled, it's time to, well, you can do either. You can either cut them up in small pieces or thin slices, or do, as I'm doing, I'm grating the beetroots. End of the day, the smaller the pieces are, the quicker that they cook. And if you grate them, they'll probably take around 10 minutes to cook, so it's very quick. So, after that, in a pan, I am going to add about a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then add one medium onion, chopped. We're going to soften the onion without browning it. Add a bit of salt and pepper. And then I'm going to add, I think it was 2 cloves of garlic sliced. Cook it in, don't let it brown, and then add your beetroot in. Mix it all up, give it a good old stir. And then I'm going to add 250 millilitres of passata. And 700 millilitres of beef stock. Now we're just going to mix all this up and then let it cook away, boil away for, as I say, around 10 minutes, or at least until your beetroot is cooked through. Oh yes, and please subscribe. Okay, next I am going to put our soup into a blender, which is not easy when everything's this colour because it goes everywhere, so be careful, use a ladle. And then give it a good blitz. And then it's time to serve. Very quick, very simple. Look at that colour. Oh my god, that is incredible. Yes, I got a bit sloppy there, but not to worry. And now it's time to crumble on the feta. This not only looks good, but it tastes delicious. That marriage of the sweet beetroot soup with the sharp and salty flavour of the feta are a marriage made in heaven, I can assure you. I'm just going to finish it off with a little garnish of raw grated beetroot. This is a perfect winter soup and can also be eaten cold as well, it's just as tasty. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing, and if you do, please also hit that notification bell and you will be notified of any videos that I upload in future. So take care, peace, love, and I'll see you all in the next video.